Hello everyone, welcome to Unfiltered Opinions, an initiative by Unacademy. My name is Amey Singhal and I have secured All India Rank 1 in the JEE Mains exam and the All India Rank 143 in the JEE Advanced Examination 2021. So I have some questions with me which are generally asked by all the JEE aspirants. So I'll be answering them one by one. So question number 1. What do you think about preparing using multiple books and online resources for IIT JEE? So I feel if you are aiming for a very high rank, you should use multiple resources because one resource might not cover something that the other resource might be covering. So all my friends who have got top ranks have all used multiple resources and it is an important reason in all of our success. So moving on to the next question. Which were the most difficult portions for you in physics and chemistry? So in physics, I would personally say the chapter of waves and oscillations is one that I faced a lot of difficulty in because it's not really imaginable. I would say there's not a lot of imagination going on in that chapter. So I faced difficulty in that. And in chemistry, the entire topic of inorganic chemistry was a bit difficult for me because I'm not very fond of ratifying everything. So it was something that I faced difficulty in initially. Next question. How much time should one dedicate towards solving numericals in chemistry? So I think physical chemistry is all about numericals. Once you have the knowledge of all the formulas, the next step is to practice and try to remember all the formulas. So practicing questions becomes very important in physical chemistry. Also, as you can see in this year's paper, questions based on organic and inorganic chemistry which involved solving have also been asked. So some amount of practice is also important. So no one should neglect that thinking that questions will not be asked because you never know. Next question. How to be self-disciplined all the time? So I think everyone should have a timetable or a tentative schedule of when they are going to do what and stick by it. And when you tick what you have done during the day, it gives an immense feeling of satisfaction at the end of the day. So I would feel this is something that I used to do to keep myself motivated and keep myself disciplined. Next question. Is there any strategy to memorize all chemical reactions? So for all, no. For some, definitely yes. There are some reactions which are logic based and which can be correlated with each other. So everyone can create their own tricks or use those available online to remember some of them. But obviously there are some reactions that you will have to memorize. So what you can do is create short notes and keep revising those reactions regularly, and that will help. Next question. How important is it to make a timetable during your preparation? How to divide time between all the subjects? Again, as I said, it is very important to create a timetable or a schedule of what you are going to do during the day so that you do not end up wasting a lot of time and get no work done. So again, I would really say that it really helped me. A timetable really makes you disciplined and is one of the reasons of my success. So for dividing time between all the subjects, I would say you should divide time equally. But if one chapter is weak or you are facing difficulty in some topic, then you can obviously give some extra time to that topic. But again, you should not do one subject too much or one subject too less. In JEE, all the subjects have equal weightage, so you must give equal weightage to all the subjects. Next question. Is physics the most difficult subject in IIT JEE? Personally, I did not feel so. I found maths to be tougher than physics because physics is a lot concept based, and if you understand the concept, then it becomes pretty easy. So for me, it was maths, but I do understand for some it might be physics. So it varies from person to person, I would say. Next question. How important is maintaining a balance between studies and extracurricular activities? I would say it is very important because if you keep studying all day for such a long time, then you are mentally very exhausted and your physical health also takes a toll. So I would really recommend at least half an hour or 1 hour of light exercise or some kind of physical activity so that you get recharged and you do not get exhausted or fatigued. Next question. How important is NCERT while preparing for IIT JEE? So the importance of NCERT cannot be neglected, especially in chemistry where questions are directly asked from the NCERT book or the NCERT exemplar book. So again, I would recommend that everyone must go through the NCERT at least once and for chemistry several times, because questions are being directly asked. Even in physics, some topics have questions that are directly asked in the JEE Mains exams from the NCERT textbook. So it is very important to go through it. Next question. How did you prepare for maths for IIT JEE? So again, maths is all about practice. Once you know all the formulas and the concepts, there is no end to how much you can practice in maths. There are innumerable sources available, so I would recommend doing as many problems as possible and focusing on previous year questions as well, because concepts can be directly extracted from them and asked next year. So please, I would recommend do as much practice as possible and try to focus on problem solving rather than theory in maths. Next question. What is to be done in the 2 hours duration between paper 1 and paper 2 of IIT JEE Advanced? So ideally, you should not think about studies during that period. You should be totally relaxed and just focus on the extra time that you have got. Personally, I just ate a light lunch and watched some TV to entertain myself and did not think about the paper at all. Doesn't matter how your first paper went. It has no effect on your second paper. So I would say be relaxed and have a light meal and freshen yourself and get ready for the next paper. Next question. How to practice for mock tests? How many mock tests one should take per week? So again, revising your class notes should be a priority. Revising class notes and your coaching material and going through PYQs should be the first method to revise your topics for your mock tests. After that, I would suggest that you can go through previous mock tests that you have given and analyze your mistakes so that you do not end up committing the same mistakes again. And again, I would say one test per week is required. Initially, you can lower the frequency to once a month or once in 2 weeks. But as you move into class 12th, I would say one test per week would be very helpful for you. Next question. Tips and tricks to complete the syllabus on time. There's no as such tips or tricks. Just keep on doing the hard work and keep on doing what your teachers are telling you. And I'm sure no teacher completes the syllabus after the exam. Every teacher will complete it well in time before the exam. So just keep on following your teachers, keep on working hard diligently, and you will not even know when the syllabus has been finished and the exam will come. So next question. How to stay positive during the preparation journey? I think this is a big challenge because especially during this COVID times, we are hearing so much negative news. So you should not involve yourself in any such activity or read much about negative things happening around. You should focus on your studies. So you are preparing for this exam. So your total focus should be on preparing for it and study and not on anything else. Also meditation and yoga also help in reducing anxiety and mental stress. Next question. Is it impossible to secure a good rank in IIT JEE in the first attempt? I would say not at all. Me and a lot of my friends have secured a very good rank in their first attempt only. So I would say it is not at all impossible to get a very good rank. 2 years is a more than sufficient time to complete the syllabus, revise it and get a very good rank in the exam. So do not wait for the second attempt. First attempt is enough for everybody to get a very good rank. So thank you everyone. These were the questions by the aspirants. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment section down below and I'll try to reply them one by one.